Are you entering Rainbow Resources Summer Book Contest? The deadline is fast approaching. First thing to remember, Rainbow Resource is working with Lulu Jr. to bring this competition to life. This means there are 2 sets of rules to follow. Rainbow's contest rules and Lulu Jr.'s production rules. Lulu Jr. will physically transform your pages into a book. Lulu has created rules that will help that process. Make sure to review the included Lulu instruction sheet carefully to ensure your physical book looks like what you planned. Next, Rainbow Resource has our own story contest rules. You'll need to follow these to be qualified for our contest. These rules include specific age range, page layout, line usage, handwriting guidelines, author rules, and illustration guidelines. Make sure to review the My Rules checklist included in your kit to ensure every rule is followed. Once your masterpiece is ready, take one last look through the judging rubric and the My Rules checklist sheet to ensure you didn't overlook anything. Everything looked good? Perfect. Let's get your book submitted. There's a 2-part entry process. First, you will mail your completed kit to Lulu Jr. for them to physically create your book. Again, make sure to follow their instructions closely so that your book turns out as you have planned. Before you mail your book, make sure to mark the prepaid envelope with RRC 2023 in the lower front left corner. This way, Lulu Jr. knows to send us electronic copies of your book for judging. Next, you'll email us at bookcontest@rainbowresource.com. We need the following information included in your email by the deadline included in the kit: story title, author's name, author's age, parent, guardian name, mailing address, phone number of parent and guardian, tracking number for your Lulu Jr. book kit. That's it. You're done. Now, sit back, relax, and let Lulu Jr. and Rainbow Resource Center do our part. You should receive your book from Lulu Jr. in roughly 3 weeks, and we will announce our contest winners November 10th. Happy writing!